Next up, we got giant waterspout devours ship. Your daily dose of internet, man. Let's see what it be. Time.
This is your daily dose of internet. A giant waterspout passed over a ship near Singapore.
Bro, what? I don't know what that is. Like a water spout? How does that even happen? It's basically like a water tornado.
Sorry, man.
It's a water tornado, bro. That's crazy. Wait, is it actually kind of like
These
deadly?
people are trying to make some bread.
What the fuck is that? Why was the bread like fucking the wall?
This YouTuber created this video without using any CGI. It was created by using slow motion photography.
Bro, what the fuck? That's hard. Alright, Superman, we get it.
A falcon was able to perfectly stabilize its head on a windy day.
Bro, what? In the actual... Bro, this is some crazy shit, bro. What is going on right now? Bro, is he like stuck? What? How? What in the... Bro.
This whale loves to stop by to get a scratch under their chin.
Under his chin. That's the top of his head. What are you talking about under his chin? It's a whale, though. That's a dirty whale, bro. Don't touch a whale, bro. You know how dirty he is. Okay. I just start squirting on his car. Bruh.
How is a paraglider
That's
able
the
to fly in
thing.
the air for 7 hours straight? A paraglider looks for something called a thermal, which is a column of rising hot air. This hot air is able to push a paraglider up to the same heights as a cloud. A thermal column is the same method in which clouds are made.
Bro, what is happening right now? Yo, you're in this clouds. Yo, what is clouds made of? Ow, Sway. We just walked inside. Wait, this might not even be a cat. Oh, okay. Oh.
A diver found this incredible jellyfish swimming near Norway.
That's real? Wait, what? How? It's like animated.
That's
bro.
the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better.
Bro, it literally looks animated.
And I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Oh,
Later.
bro, and that's like a brain too. Hey man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, comment, share me yet to next, man. Follow me on Instagram where I'm most active at. On the grind to 1K, man. I'm out.